Good afternoon again, ladies and gentlemen, from Metro Manila, the Philippines, Southeastern Asia. As always, when I review these COVID statistics, there is a mixture of good news and bad news. The good news is that already over 12 million people worldwide have recovered from the COVID pandemic. The good news also is that most Oceanian countries remain only lightly affected by the virus. Another piece of good news is that in most African countries, the virus is, at least according to the official figures, still under control. The bad news is that in Latin America, especially, there seems to be a second wave of infections. Also in North America, especially in the United States, the number of infections and deaths is steadily climbing. Likewise, in many European countries, despite the fact that there have been rather strict and effective measures of quarantine control. And here in Asia, it's a mixed story. There are a number of Asian countries where the infections are rising quickly, for example, in India. And then there are a number of Asian countries, such as Taiwan, where the infections and especially deaths seem to be stable according to the official figures. Let's have a closer look at them. So, according to the latest update on the worldometers.info website, so far over 18,976,340 people worldwide have developed the coronavirus. Of them, 711,220 have died, while 12,165,610 have recovered. Currently, there are 6,099,510 infected patients, of whom 6,033,967 are in mild condition. The remainder, 65,543, or 1%, are in serious or critical condition. The cases that have been declared closed 12,876,830, having 94% of the cases, so 12,165,610, resulted in the patients recovering and being discharged from hospitals or health or trauma centers, or then from self-isolation, while 711,220 patients, or 6%, have died. So in the United States, so far over 4,973,000 people have developed the coronavirus. Of them, over 161,000 have died, while over 2,540,000 have recovered. In Brazil, those figures are in that order: over 2,862,000, over 97,000, and over 2,020,000. In India, over 1,963,000, over 40,000, over 1,327,000. In Russia, over 866,000, over 14,000, over 669,000. In South Africa, over 529,000, over 9,000, over 377,000. In Mexico, over 456,000, over 49,000, over 304,000. In Peru, over 447,000, over 20,000, over 306,000. In Chile, over 364,000, over 9,000, over 338,000. In Spain, only the first two figures are available: over 352,000 infections, over 28,000 deaths, but the total number of recovered patients is not available. In Colombia, over 345,000 infections, over 11,000 deaths, over 186,000 recoveries. Also in Iran and Britain, over 300,000 people have been infected so far. Between 200,000 and 300,000 infections are the following countries: Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Italy, Bangladesh, Turkey, Argentina, and Germany. Between 100,000 and 200,000 infections are currently France, Iraq, Canada, Indonesia, the Philippines. Here, the total number of infections, according to this statistical website, is 115,980 people, of whom 2,123 have died, 66,270 have recovered. And Qatar. Between 50,000 and 100,000 infections are the following countries, according to this statistical website. Kazakhstan, Egypt, Ecuador, Bolivia, China, Sweden, Oman, Israel, the Dominican Republic, the Ukraine, Belgium, Panama, Kuwait, Belarus, the United Arab Emirates, Romania, the Netherlands, Singapore, Guatemala, and Portugal. Between 25,000 and 50,000 are the following countries in terms of the number of human infections: Poland, Honduras, Nigeria, Bahrain, Japan, Armenia, Ghana, Kyrgyzstan, Afghanistan, Switzerland, Azerbaijan, Algeria, Morocco, Uzbekistan, Serbia, Ireland, Moldova. Between 12,500 and 25,000 human infections are the following countries: Kenya, Venezuela, Austria, Nepal, Costa Rica, Ethiopia, Australia, El Salvador, Cameroon, the Czech Republic, Ivory Coast, South Korea, Denmark, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Palestine, and Bulgaria. Between 6,250 and 12,500 human infections are the following countries: Madagascar, Sudan, North Macedonia, Senegal, Norway, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Malaysia, Gabon, Tajikistan, Guinea, Haiti, Finland at 7,512 infections, 331 deaths, and 6,980 recoveries. Zambia, Luxembourg, Mauritania. Between 3,125 and 6,250 human infections are the following countries: Paraguay, Albania, Lebanon, Croatia, Djibouti, Greece, Equatorial Guinea, Central African Republic, Maldives, Hungary, Libya, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Nicaragua, the Republic of the Congo, Montenegro, Thailand, and Somalia. So far, the following countries have had under 100 recorded human deaths from the COVID-19 pandemic: Singapore, 27, Nepal, 60, Palestine, 89, Gabon, 51, Tajikistan, 61, Guinea, 49, Paraguay, 61, Lebanon, 68, Djibouti, 59, Equatorial Guinea, 83, Central African Republic, 59, Maldives, 19, Libya, 99, Zimbabwe, 81, the Republic of Congo, 58, Montenegro, 57, Thailand, 58, Somalia, 93, Eswatini or Swaziland, 53, Sri Lanka, 11, Cuba, 88, Cape Verde, 27, Namibia, 12, South Sudan, 47, Slovakia, 29, Lithuania, 81, Estonia, 63, Rwanda, 5, Mozambique, 15, Suriname, 27, Guinea-Bissau, 27, Benin, 38, Iceland, 10, Sierra Leone, 67, Tunisia, 51, New Zealand, 22, Angola, 62, Uruguay, 37, Latvia, 32, Jordan, 11, Liberia, 78, Uganda, 5, Georgia, 17, Cyprus, 19, Burkina Faso, 54, Niger, 69, Togo, 21, Syria, 48, Chad, 75, Andorra, 52, Jamaica, 12, Malta, 9, Sao Tome and Principe, 15, Botswana, 2, Gambia, 16, Bahamas, 14, Lesotho, 21, Vietnam, 9, San Marino, 42, Guyana, 22, Tanzania, 21, Taiwan 7, Burundi 1, Comoros 7, Myanmar or Burma 6, Mauritius 10, Mongolia and Eritrea none, Cambodia none, Trinidad and Tobago 8, Aruba 3, Bermuda 9, Papua New Guinea 2, Brunei 3, Barbados 7, Seychelles none, Monaco 4, Bhutan none, Antigua and Barbuda 3, Liechtenstein 1, Belize 2, St. Vincent and the Grenadines none. Then Fiji 1. The following countries have, according to this statistical website, no recorded human deaths from the COVID-19 pandemic: St. Lucia, East Timor, Grenada, Laos, Dominica, St. Kitts and Nevis, the Vatican City. Western Sahara has 1 recorded human death. We will keep monitoring the situation and praying that God would mercifully shorten and soon also weaken and eliminate this pandemic.